Winter in Michigan can hit hard, and the last thing you want is a broken furnace when the temperatures drop. Many homeowners find themselves searching for furnace repairs in Grand Rapids, Michigan, right in the middle of a cold snap. The best defense? Staying ahead with regular maintenance. At Sullivan Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, we specialize in protecting your home and keeping your heating system running smoothly all season long. Consistent maintenance is the secret to ensuring your furnace performs when you need it most. Your furnace gives off warning signs when something isn't right. Loud banging, uneven heating, or sudden spikes in your energy bills can indicate trouble. Strange odors like mustiness or metallic smells can signal mold or overheating components, and the smell of rotten eggs? That's a serious sign indicating a gas leak. Call a professional immediately. Some maintenance steps are simple, and you can do them yourself. Replacing air filters regularly, keeping vents clear, and checking your thermostat and breaker panel go a long way toward preventing problems. But for more complex inspections, like checking safety controls, cleaning sensitive components, and ensuring carbon monoxide isn't a risk, a professional tune-up is essential. Scheduling an annual furnace tune-up in Kent County ensures efficiency, extends your system's lifespan, and helps prevent costly repairs. At Sullivan Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, we're committed to keeping homes warm and cozy all winter. Call us today to schedule your furnace service in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and stay comfortable no matter how cold it gets.